The Supreme Court saying the Trump administration must help bring home a Maryland father mistakenly deported. Hi, everyone. I'm Chris Flanagan.
And I'm Susan Tran. The Supreme Court siding with Kilmar Abrego Garcia. He is legally living in Prince George's County with his American wife and children. And several years ago, a judge gave the 29-year-old protected status. It explicitly prohibits him from being deported to El Salvador because he was actually escaping gang persecution. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg joining us live outside of the Supreme Court.
Yeah, Daniel, good evening. What exactly did the justices say in their ruling?
And Chris and Susan, it was a unanimous decision that said the Trump administration has to facilitate the return of Abrego Garcia to the United States. Now, though the administration did admit that he was mistakenly sent to that El Salvadoran prison, they contend that he is a member of the gang MS-13. Now, Abrego Garcia's attorney says that is not the case, and there's no evidence to that, saying he's never been convicted or even charged with a crime. He did have, as you said, an immigration court order from 2019 preventing his deportation. The Supreme Court order today comes after a district court judge ordered his return by this past Monday, but the Trump administration appealed. The order requires the government to facilitate his release from El Salvador and handle his case as it would have been had he not been improperly sent to El Salvador. Now, Abrego Garcia's attorney said tonight the rule of law prevailed. The Supreme Court upheld the district judge's order that the government has to bring Kilmar home. Now they need to stop wasting time and get moving. Senator Chris Van Hollen also chiming in, saying he should have never been abducted in the first place, saying it was shameful and they must bring him home now. I will fight alongside his family until they do so. And then, of course, on the other side, the Department of Homeland Security Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin views the case differently, saying SCOTUS agreed with them. The district court interfered with the president's foreign affairs power, saying we look forward to continuing to advance our position in this case. Now, no deadline was given when Abrego Garcia will have to be returned home, so we will have to wait and see just how long it might take. We're live at the Supreme Court. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.